Now when we drag this clip in timeline, as you can see, this tool will pop up, and if we click here in timeline in anywhere, this tool will disappear. So to access to this tool, we have to select the clip first. Now the first tool is select tool. So this tool will help you to select your track, select your media and select your effect. And we can rearrange the track position. So as you can see, if I change the position of this track, it will go back to its original position. So if you want to freely move this main track, you have to turn off this main track magnet, and we can also press P on the keyboard. And now this is turned off, and now we can freely move this track. Now guys, the next tool is split tool. We can access this tool by pressing B on the keyboard, and we can split clip in multiple parts. And now as you can see, if I split a clip, a blue line will appear. So this is snapping. So we can go to the select tool and we can turn this off. So when we connect two clips, this line will appear. So this is a snapping tool. So we can turn this off, and now we can freely move this as well. And now guys, if I drag this clip above this track, a new track will create it. So we can automatically create multiple tracks by dragging clip above each other. And this track will also delete itself when we move the clips to the main track. Now if you want to preview your clip using your mouse cursor, then you have to turn on this preview axis. And now as you can see, we can preview this clip by using the mouse cursor. So this will help you to preview your clip using your mouse cursor. So let's turn this off. Now guys, if we click here, we have two tools. We have select leftward and we have select rightward. So if we select leftward, and if I select this last clip, it will select all this clip that is behind this clip, that is on the left side of this clip. And if I select this one, it will select all this clip that is on the left side of this clip. And if I select this tool, it will select all this clip that is on the right side of this clip. So we can select this one if we want to select all these three, and if we want to select only this one, then we can select this one, because we don't have any clip on the right side of this clip. Now we can also delete a video. So for example, if you want to delete these three videos, we can select these three, we can press backspace, or we can select this one. So this is also a backspace option. So we can click here, it will delete this clip. Now the next tool is freeze frame. So if you want to freeze a frame of your video, then we can use the cursor of this timeline. So this is the timeline cursor, and we can go to that position, and now we can select that clip and we can freeze that frame in the video. We can also flip this video, we can mirror this. So if I click here, as you can see, it will mirror my clip. We can also select a clip and we can reverse that clip. So this option, this tool will reverse your video. And now as you can see, this is the reverse video. We can use this to undo and we can redo that effect. Now we can also rotate a clip. So if I click here, as you can see, it will rotate my clip. We can also crop the video. So for example, if I want this part, then I can crop this part and we can confirm this. And we can go back to the crop window and we can select an aspect ratio. We can also rotate the video and we can redo this and we can confirm this. So this is the original clip. Now if you want to mute this track, then you can click here, it will mute this track. And if you want to hide this track, so for example, let's add another track and let's turn on main track magnet. And let's turn on snapping as well. So we can connect these two clips easily. Now we have two tracks, so we can also mute this one and we can also hide this track as well. So if you want to preview this track, then we can hide this one and we can preview this track. We can also lock this track, so we won't move this track accidentally. Now we have also these icons that indicate that this is a video track. So if I right click and separate the audio, we have this icon which indicates that this is an audio track. Now if we click here, we can edit the cover of this video, and we can also in the local we can import a cover as well. Now if you want to zoom in the timeline, we can press Ctrl, hold it, and we can use the mouse scroll, mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out the timeline, and we can use the Alt key to travel back and forth in the timeline. We can also use this to zoom in and zoom out the timeline.